born to be a Rasta man. That's Jaja plan. To live and learn and be a better man. I don't need to be a billionaire, that's not for me. I don't live the life of luxury. Every time I close my eyes, I see the truth and realize, yeah, I must be conscious and I must be wise. I swear, nothing can compare when Jah vibes everywhere.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room